Hello viewers, welcome back to datagridview, and today's video we are going to display our demo project. First of all, we give the ID of the manager and password. Manager can see the all information, and he also edit or delete this information. Suppose he needs another desktop, then update. It's updated successfully. Then any of them, and now you can see, just show details or refresh. After that, we can delete any of this information from this table. Just double click and display the product ID as ID, and here is the as ID is 120, and then delete as 120 has been deleted. Okay, and now we going to refresh, and you can see the show details. The S120 sales ID is removed from the table. Came to our next part. This is we can add our salesman or add employee from there. This is auto generated ID for salesman, and you can enter any kind of name, just typing a random password. This is a salesman, and it is today's date, and salary is going to be 14,000. Okay, now I'm going to save this information. Just look there and just click data assign it table, then okay. And how can it display? Just click the refresh or show details. Then we can check our information over there. This is Oppo salesman, 40,000, and his ID number is M109, and this is all the information. Suppose this M108 number ID, I going to delete this information because this some field are null or not assigned, so that I can delete this information. How can I delete that? Just double click there and it display or appearance here, then I click delete and then press OK. Then this information is removed from the our database. And now this show SMID, that means, and it's going to be display which ID, which sales ID or salesman are going to sales, and we can easily track their information. Then we go back our dashboard, just click there and you can see the all information over there. And now we going to next part. How can you order product as a manager? Because we are in manager dashboard, just click place order. This is the option, and we can go another way. Just order, click it, and new order or place order, new order or place order, just click it. Now it display the price of laptop, desktop, printer. It's a demo price over there. And it can be edited anytime. And I'm going to show about this information. Just refresh and it's going to display all the information over there. And from our database or show details or refresh, we can press any button over there. And now we're going to order some product. How can we can see the product ID is auto generated ID is product ID. Then we select some product. Let's going to select some product. I think I took one laptop and one desktop and one printer and 3 pendrive. Okay, add to cart. Okay, now I'm going to discount 20 15 okay 20%, then confirm order. Your order is confirmed, sir. You can see the mini message window appear in the display. Just press OK, and all the information is going to save our database. You can see 1 laptops, 1 desktop, 2 printers, and 3 pen drives are there. And this is today's date, and discount is 20%, and the salesman ID, this is a manager, so that M101. We can also track the salesman ID, and this is the most delightful feature in our project. We can search any kind of ID just in the search box. Suppose I search that. Okay, you can see that I'm just searching this ID and I display this information. Now I'm go back to our dashboard, just click it, and now I'm going to log out, and I'm just 3. Now I'm going to as a salesman, login up performed as a salesman, you can see there. Okay, and this is some product information there. You can add product from this panel, and if you place order, now click place order option, and this kind of window appear. Now you can give suppose show details. We can see the information, and you can see the product ID is automatic generated as 175 100 as 175, and you can also place order from there. Suppose randomly I just give order, and you can see the information between 2 panels is same, because this is add to cart and this is confirm. If I press add to cart, then this information is going to there, and from this we can give discount. From here we can give any kind of any amount of discount from there, and after that all the condition are fulfilled or all the criteria is fulfilled, then we can confirm order, and your order is confirmed, sir, and press OK and show details. You're going to check this order is going to properly completed. Now we'll go back to our dashboard, just click there, and this already show you this information, and this is the salesman ID who salesman log in our system, and now log out, and this is, you can exit here, and you can also exit from there. Please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, and hope this video is going to be very interesting for you. Thank you for watching.